Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher ChelomieC, and today I'm coming to you with an empty house tour. No, this is not the new home. This is not my new home. Let's put it that way. This is my daughter's. This is their home, their new home, and we will be staying with them temporarily, meaning my husband and I, until our house is actually ready. But I wanted to show you where we'll be temporarily, and I'll be doing some looks while I'm here for you as far as styling and stuff. So let's get this empty house tour started. So here we are. We're right at the front door. And when you come in, there's a closet, a coat closet right here at the very front. And I'm gonna do downstairs first, and then I'll take you upstairs. So this is the entryway, guys. And I'm gonna go to the left. This is the living room area. Beautiful floors. This is brand new. No one has lived in it yet. Then we're gonna move through the little hallway here. To my right here, this is an extra room. This is actually an office space, which I think is absolutely great. So a little office space. It's actually the size of like a bedroom. Very, very nice. And then to the left of that, or right across from the office, is a powder room. Then moving back, this is the family room area. It's right off the kitchen. Very nice space. You see they have a beautiful fireplace here. And then right above that, they have the electrical work where they're gonna hang their TV. They already have the blinds up. These are some beautiful zebra blinds. And then to the other side is the kitchen. So let's walk over to the kitchen. You have this island. Let me get these things out the way. A little bit of cleaning was just taking place. Okay, so this is the beautiful island right here with the sink in it. It's a two-sided sink. They have a lot of cupboard space all over. They have a dishwasher. Beautiful stainless steel refrigerator. There you go, a little. Let me step back so you can see that. Again, a lot of covered space. Drawer space. And check out this backsplash, guys. Super gorgeous. Stove. More cupboard space, a lot of cupboard space. I really love that. And then if we go this way, this is like the eat-in kitchen area, or the dining area. Moving back toward the refrigerator, there's a little area here that's kind of like, it could be like a bar, a nice little bar area where you can, put like your drinks and stuff. And then if we go back this way, we're back in the living room area where you just walk in when you come through the front doors. There go the front door. There's a door that is going toward the basement. I'm not gonna go down there because I have no shoes on. It's kind of cold down there. Let's take it upstairs. So you have staircase going up. And I'm gonna show you the rooms. It's 3 bedrooms. Right halfway at the step, I'm just gonna pan the camera around so you can see a very, very long window to let all that natural light in. That's another thing I really like about this this house. It has a lot of natural light. So we're gonna go into the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom again. A lot of natural light. It's a good size room. And it has a very big closet. So this is the closet I'm gonna take you in. And guys, looking at it on camera, the spaces are much bigger than they're looking on camera right now. This is the closet. It's a walk-in. Very nice. And this is not the main bedroom. This is just one of the 3. Going out. That's the hallway. That's where we just came from. We just came from downstairs. This is the second bedroom. Pretty much the same size as the other. The closet is a little bit smaller, but a lot of room nonetheless. All right, taking it out. Across from this bedroom is one of the bathrooms. So this is one of the bathrooms. Has a bath and shower combo. And then we're gonna go toward the main bedroom. And here, yes, on the second floor is the laundry room. Like I said, everything's brand new, guys. They're like the first occupants. And in this laundry room, they have the linen closet. All right, going out. And this is the main bedroom, or formerly the master bedroom. We're not calling it master these days. This is the main bedroom. It's a pretty big room. And here's the closet. Again, pretty big closet. It's about the same size as the first one, or a little bit wider, I would say. And then let's go to the main bathroom. This bathroom is absolutely gorgeous. So we have the soaker tub here. Simply gorgeous. And then it has the counter space with 2 sinks. And I absolutely love the shower. The shower is huge. The shower can hold 4 people easily. Super gorgeous and just big. Love the floors in here. And I am absolutely I am just really loving this tub. Super gorgeous. Guys, I know it's empty, but leave me a comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think of this space. Like I said, this will be our temporary dwelling until our space is ready. And guys, I'm going to take you on a tour of that once it's ready. So that's why I'm saying make sure your notification bells are on so that way you don't miss anything. This is a beautiful, beautiful home. And please believe that once we bring all the furniture in, I will definitely be doing a video to show you what they have brought in. And I'll be doing some styling in here as well, just to show you, give you some tips and stuff for styling the different rooms. But absolutely gorge. Where I'm about to cut this video off because we're gonna go start moving. I'm just getting the lights off here, guys. We're gonna go start moving some of the things in here. We're gonna get the smaller stuff. The truck comes in the morning to get the bigger, heavier furniture pieces. So guys, if I have an opportunity, I'll probably insert a clip of some of the moving process. But until next time, enjoy your day. And as always, thank you for watching. If this is your first time seeing my video or seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And to all my lovely penny pinchers, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your glamorous penny pincher, ChelomieC, saying bye-bye.